All right, do you have a whole bunch of stuff laying around your house that you'd love to turn into cash by selling it on eBay, but you're not sure what's gonna sell? Well, in this video, we're gonna give you some guidelines on how you can know exactly what's gonna sell on eBay. So hang with us and we'll get started right now.
In 2011, there was a study done by this group, NPD, and they concluded that the average American household has $7,000 of items that can be sold online. So you're probably like me where you think there's no way there's $7,000 worth of stuff laying around my house. I thought the same thing, but I have gone through this. I've been using eBay for years, and over and over and over again, I continue to find more things that I can sell. And I'm going to try to help you find some things in your house that would be good items to sell. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right. So the first thing is we have to figure out how to know what to sell, like what's actually going to sell on eBay. Because the truth is that there are tons of things listed on eBay that will not sell. And if you're like me, most of what's laying around your house probably would not sell. So the key to not wasting your time is to find those things that will sell and then, sell those. I'm going to start by giving you some rough guidelines, and there are millions of other things that you can sell and that people have successfully sold, but I'm just going to share what has worked for me. One of the first things that I like to look for is anything that has a brand name or that people are generally passionate about. So it doesn't necessarily need to be an expensive brand, but some sort of brand that people would be searching for. So for example, the opposite of this would be if you have a red button-up shirt or something like that, and you go and list this red button-up shirt on eBay. It's just, there are millions of them out there, and as a result, the chances of it selling would be very, very slim. However, if it's a Banana Republic red button-down shirt, something like that is going to have a much better chance because people are searching for Banana Republic shirts. Apple products are a great example because they're a brand that a lot of people search for, and they're a brand that people are really passionate about. And so Apple products, it's really difficult not to sell an Apple product, honestly. You can pretty much put up any Apple product on eBay and it's going to sell. So like American Girl dolls, I don't know that much about them, but I think there's a pretty solid, passionate group behind that. Silver or gold jewelry. There are tons of people who are really interested in precious metals and storing them up. So that's something that could sell. But I think you get the idea. Brand names and things that people might be passionate about are generally things that work well. Following in that vein, things that are highly rated and reviewed on Amazon often do well on eBay. And I think there's a couple reasons for this. So I think one is if they're highly rated and reviewed on Amazon, that means they're probably a pretty popular product that a lot of people have bought, and therefore more of them would be selling. But additionally, a lot of people will go to Amazon, find the best product, and then go over to eBay to see if they can buy it used. So if you buy a lot of items on Amazon that are well rated and well reviewed, those items probably will do pretty well if you're trying to sell them on eBay. And I'm one of those people who I buy a lot of stuff on Amazon, and I typically read the reviews and I find the best rated stuff. And as a result, this has worked pretty well for me. So if I buy something and use it for 6 months and I'm not using it anymore, I'll just turn around and sell it on eBay. And most times that works out for me. And one more category of things to think about are items that have a really unique description and that would be in demand. So an example of this would be like a Darth Vader cat Halloween costume that you're trying to sell in October. So something like this could be hit or miss, but it's really the only way that I've ever sold anything that didn't have a name brand. So at the sake of embarrassing myself, many years ago, I sold a pair of fake leather pants on eBay and actually profited quite well on them. I bought them from Old Navy, I think. I don't know how they had them there, and I don't even know why I bought them. But anyway, I ended up selling them, and I don't even know if I listed that they were Old Navy when I sold them on eBay, because Old Navy is not exactly an in-demand brand because they're priced low enough. But leather pants, for men's leather pants, was a unique item that people were searching for. And as a result, I was able to sell them and even make money on them, which was kind of fun. So those are a few rough guidelines of things that you could use, but the best way, honestly, to tell if something is actually going to sell is to check the past listings. So in the next video, I'm going to show you a trick using past listings to be able to better determine if something's going to sell and for how much it will probably sell for. So if that's something you're interested in, just click that video right there or the link down below, and I will see you in the next video.